Ever fear you're too late? That everyone's already heard about your deal? If you've been around for a while, you might have heard one of the following objections.
I've seen this deal before.
I've tried this sort of thing already.
I know all about your products and company.
And once you hear enough people say these to you, you might think the market's already saturated and there's no room left for you. Which is a dangerous trap that'll sap your conviction and confidence about your opportunity. Even worse, your brain will try to convince you it's true. It's called confirmation bias, which is the process of non-consciously looking for ways to be right about whatever you believe. For example, if someone has a negative view of people, and believes that most folks are selfish and up to no good, then they'll gravitate towards stories that reinforce that belief. They might even find themselves addicted to the news, which tends to focus on the worst, to prove their views are correct. Back to the question of saturation. If the idea that you're too late is messing with your mindset, I've got good news. Your best prospect is someone who is familiar with the industry, has already joined an opportunity, knows about your company. After all, they've already demonstrated a willingness to join an opportunity, invest in themselves, and are sold on the idea of creating more freedom in their life. Doesn't get much better than that. And there are plenty of people just like this, more than you can shake a stick at. You simply need a way to reach them. And the ability to provide the type of leadership that'll make them want to seek you out and join your team. Ready to learn how? Click the link in the description to grab your copy of Attraction Marketing Formula today. You'll discover a completely ethical way of mentoring other network marketers, without poaching, or any shady business whatsoever.